Hey YouTube, this is Christian Nomad. Um, just wanted to give you an update. This is week 2, and let's see, I wanted to show you a couple of things. Let's see. First thing was I added this black paper on here. So let me show you. Now these just, sorry about the shaking. These just pop right in. They're my window shades. So, and they pretty much give me privacy. I got one for the back and the side there. Now from the outside, I'll show you what it looks like. On the outside, you can't see anything. It looks like window tint. See right there, you can see. No, you really can't. You can kind of see. See if I can stop the glare. Yeah, you can see the little crack right there. Maybe not. It's pretty dark though. Let me show you what it looked like before I put the black on. So before I put the black on, it was white. And you can totally see that there's an insert in there. You still couldn't see inside, but you could see the insert. See what I mean? I know there's a glare there, you can see a tree, right? But with the black in there, it's totally, it looks like limo tint. I'm pretty happy with it. But I thought we'd go for a walk. Hopefully we don't get lost. Some of the colors are changing, but not too much. It's still pretty warm here in Michigan. So I've had a good week. It's been warm. I was going to do daily updates, but I really didn't have a lot to say. And it was pretty busy, so I didn't have a lot of time. So next week it's supposed to be warm also. Again, down the lows are down to the 50s. I only care about the lows. I don't look at the highs. So in the week after that, it's supposed to be in the 40s, which I also shouldn't really have a problem with. So we'll see how that goes. Looks like they were doing some kind of cross-country running here. It's a cool bench. This is Livonia's Bicentennial Park. It's a pretty big park. But Livonia's a pretty big city, actually. it's October in Michigan. About 70 degrees, which is really unusual. I'm liking it for obvious reasons. Well, we're up to about 6.5 minutes. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm going to log off here, and hopefully I'll have something more interesting to show you the next time. Bye-bye.